Nobody can deny that soy sauce is one of the most important sauces in Asian cooking. Having a utility soy sauce or multi-purpose soy sauce can make your life so much easier. This amazing sauce can match with wide range of ingredients and it's fairly easy to make. So for the next few episodes, I'm going to introduce quick and easy recipes using this sauce as the base. And make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to follow up with all the other recipes. Let us begin. There is a specific order that you must follow to extract the most flavor from each ingredient. On the low heat, sweat the small diced onions and scallions at the same time. Because of the volume, it takes about 5 minutes to finish this process. Sweat both ingredients until they are soft, but they must still hold their shapes. Next set will be the red chili, minced garlic, and fine chopped ginger. Sweat everything for about 2 more minutes. Then you add 600 grams of ground pork. At this time, you switch to a high heat and render out the pork fat. Don't worry about burning the ingredients and keep rendering the fat until the pot looks like this. Then you add the rest of the ingredients, which is soy sauce, mirin, and sugar, and bring it to a boil. Once it reaches the boiling point, reduce the heat and simmer for 30 minutes. And the sauce is done. Let's test our sauce. We're going to make a simple rice dish with French beans and mushrooms. Blanch the French beans in boiling water for 1 minute and then shocked with ice water. For this one, I'm going to use the leftover oyster mushrooms in the fridge. Because it's a rice bowl dish, cut the French beans into half. Heat up a pan with neutral flavor oil. For this one, you're going to saute the vegetables on medium-high heat. Add a tablespoon of minced garlic. Add mushrooms first. And just before the garlic turns brown, add the French beans. And then add some of the utility soy sauce. Saute everything for 1 more minute. Kill the heat and get ready to plate. The plating is so simple, you just need a bed of rice. Then add the sauteed vegetables and meat sauce on top. Control the amount of toppings based on your sodium tolerance. It's always nice to have some fried eggs on top. Sprinkle some sesame seeds. And finish with some crispy shallots. This is a super simple, easy, nutrition-packed rice bowl dish. Just the sauce itself has loads of flavors in it. If you have some shishito peppers, you can just quickly saute with the sauce and this makes a great tapas. That's it for today, and in the next episode, I'm going to cover different recipes using the same sauce. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.